Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to fix PC restart problem. You see, please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. You see on screen, PC is restart automatically. Starting Windows, you need to go to BIOS setting, press delete to go to BIOS setting. Press delete. Okay, you see here, go to integrated peripherals, go to ID mode, enter ID mode and select AHCI mode. Press F10 to save setting. Yes, please wait, PC is starting. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon, start Windows normally. Windows is open successfully. You see on screen, cursor is loading. See here, PC is successfully open. Type here password. Please wait. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon for latest video and updates. Thank you for watching me.